Going to do a quick review of the Aukey wireless charger model LC-C6. I think that's visible there. So I've got it hooked up to a multi-outlet USB hub power doohickey. And I'm going to try charging my Samsung SG6. It's down at 19%. So, first off, it's got a little red light when it's not charging, and when it does start charging, it turns green. What I like is it isn't very bright. It actually looks brighter in the video than in person, and so it's not annoying at night if you've got this by your bed. My old one, which I'll show you in a minute, that thing, also an Aukey, has a much brighter light, so I'm not real happy with that at night. So, I'm just watching the output here. So, 5.11 volts, 1.16 amps. Not too bad. I'll try moving it around a little bit. I might not have it quite centered. It seems to charge faster when the screen's off, which seems weird since it's using more power. Ah, there we go. 1.35. About 1.35, so that's 7.5 watts or so. That's not bad. I think that's about what this thing maxes out at. So the top is kind of a almost rubbery plastic. It's got a little bit of a texture to it, but not too much. And you can see I was able to slide around the phone on it without any problem. It's got little rubber feet on the bottom, keeps it from moving around. Came with the micro USB cable, which is nice. And I like that Aukey has very minimal packaging. I mean, this is the box it came in. That's it. So just that, and then the little manual, which is basically, you know, plug it in and stick your phone on it. There's not a whole lot to it, but you know, it's got specs and stuff, so that's nice. And then the little card that they include with stuff for their 2-year warranty. So I've never had to warranty anything out through them, thankfully, but it's nice to know that they at least have a nice long warranty if anything does go wrong. So just to show you my old one, again, it's another Aukey. This one has more of a like denim texture fabric on it. And this one's a, what are you? LC-C6. I've had that quite a while. Not sure when I bought that one. At least a year ago, probably closer to 2 years. And there you can see it's got a light in it. And the light leaks out back here when it's charging. You can kind of block the other lighting. There you go, you can see it pulsates as it's charging. So that one's a little bit annoying at night in the bedroom. It's a little bright, it's white, although the denim does make it a little bit blue. And if you stick your phone over the cable, it's not too bad, but you know, it's a little awkward that way. But I'm just curious to see how this one charges versus the old one, or I mean the new one. So let's see, we're up at 0.96. Try to make sure it's centered. About 1 amp. That's interesting. I figured it would be about the same. So they're both 10 watt. And obviously I'm using the same power supply and everything. That's interesting. Well, another reason to like the new one better. Charges a little faster. So I've been using it for about a month now, and I've been really happy with it. It doesn't make any noise, which might seem obvious, but I've had stuff where it's wirelessly charging and you can hear it, and that's obviously super annoying if it's by your bed. Yeah, so really happy with this little guy so far.